Click on the link below to get price. The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is a standout choice for those seeking a balance of power, efficiency, and comfort. With a peak power of 750W, this e-bike can tackle various terrains with ease, making it ideal for city commuting or off-road adventures. The robust motor provides a significant boost, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is impressive for an electric bike at this price point. One of the most commendable features of the ANCHER is its rapid 3-hour charging capability. In just a few hours, you can fully charge the 48V battery, which offers a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding conditions and mode used. This means less downtime and more time enjoying the ride, whether you're commuting to work or exploring scenic paths. The bike's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It features an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing for a customized fit for riders of various heights. The aluminum alloy frame not only adds to the bike's durability but also keeps it lightweight, enhancing maneuverability. Additionally, the 21-speed transmission system offers a wide range of gearing options, allowing for smooth transitions up and down hills. Comfort is further enhanced by the front suspension fork, which absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, providing a smoother ride. The 26-inch wheels are equipped with anti-slip tires that ensure stability and grip, even in wet conditions. The disc brakes, both front and rear, deliver reliable stopping power, ensuring safety when navigating busy streets or steep descents. Overall, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults combines power, range, and comfort in a well-designed package. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or new to e-bikes, this model offers an enjoyable riding experience that meets a variety of needs. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to embrace a more eco-friendly mode of transportation while enjoying the freedom of the open road.